everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my first update for Pan of Dinosaurs. This is a PANtastic Ladies collab that was created by Taro. She is a cruelty-free panner. I'm going to have her link down below along with everyone else that has joined in. All of us kind of nerdy people that like dinosaurs and, you know, those kinds of things, which I think is cool. My oldest son is a dinosaur fanatic, so of course I had to do this project. This started on August 8th and it will go till April 8th of next year. And you can really kind of do this project however you want to do it. There is a whole list of dinosaurs and prompts that go with them. And you can start with as many or as few as you want, and you can do it rolling. You can just do, you know, pick whatever ones you want and just go with that and, you know, call her done. But I started with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I count right? Yes, I started with 5. I'm going to do this rolling style. So when I have one done, whether it's something that I'm finishing or trying to meet a goal, then I will roll that one out and I will pick a dinosaur that I haven't already picked and, you know, keep going on until I have all of the dinosaurs met or the project ends. Hopefully I will get through all of the dinosaurs, and if I get through all of them and there's none left and I still have time in the project, I'm probably going to roll in some other dinosaurs that aren't in, you know, in here with a prompt because, like I said, my son loves dinosaurs and, you know, we're just going to keep it going until the very end. All right, I am going to show you where what I had brought in last time. I don't have any empties yet. I do have some good progress on some things, so I'm happy about that. So let's start with the first one I picked. That's Argentinosaurus, and that is a big, heavy, or bulky item. This was kind of both. This is the Swan Epsom salts. I love these for my bath. I love them when I don't have time to take a bath, which is frequently, and I use one of those. It's not fancy. I think it's like a Dr. Scholl's foot bath, and you know, like you've been on your feet all day and your dogs are kicking and you're like, oh, my feet, I just need to relax them. You throw some Epsom salts into the foot bath and you just soak while you're, you know, watching your YouTube videos or reading a book and sipping some tea, whatever it is. I love Epsom salts, especially at night because the magnesium in them helps me sleep. So if you have trouble sleeping, a warm foot bath with some Epsom salts, it's your friend. It really is. Throw some lavender essential oil in there. You got your woosah moment and you're going to sleep like a baby. Yeah. So I think this one's going to be done. I don't even need to weigh it. That's all I got left. That's not a lot. It was not completely full when I brought it in, but it was fairly full. But, you know, I've been doing a lot of gardening. I've been doing a lot of, like, prepping tomatoes and tomatillos and all sorts of things, peppers. I've been doing a lot of kitchen work and a lot of housework, packing and moving boxes for our renovations downstairs from our flood. My feet have been taking the brunt of it. So yeah, I've been soaking my feet a whole lot. All right, moving on to the Pterosaurus. Let's see, that was something that was light and airy. I chose the Johnson's baby powder with cornstarch. Didn't use it a ton this time. I was at the pink and now I'm at the blue. This is going to take me a while. It definitely is, and I've been holding on to wearing sandals for as long as I can. I obviously don't wear them in the garden or anything because bugs, you know, can't do the bug thing. But yeah, like shoes and socks season is coming. It is fast approaching, so that is going to get much more of a workout coming soon. Moving on to the Stegosaurus. That is something that is slow going. Lotions in general are not slow going for me, but I'm working on so many, which is partially why this is slow going for me. This is the Vaseline Healthy Complexion Moisturizing Lotion. You can see where I started and where I am right now. Not the greatest of progress. If this was the only thing that I was using, I probably would have used a whole lot more, but I've got another lotion bars, multiple lotion bars going. Yeah, like a lot. Multiple lotions. It's just, there's a lot going on, so that's going to take me a little bit longer. Let's see. Tyrannosaurus. And I always want to do Tyrannosaurus Rex, like from, what was that, Dinosaur Train? Yeah, I know. I'm weird. That is something that is bold, blue eyeshadow, and I want to finish it because I'm crazy. I have used it a few times, but it is extremely pigmented. It's going to take me a while to get that one done. It is what it is. What you gonna do? And then Velociraptor, that is something that surprised you. And that is this Coastal Scents mica pigment. This is Winterveld, and it surprises me because it just looks boring and plain here, but hopefully you guys can see that it turns teal, which is kind of cool to me. Let me see if it'll show up this way. There, you can see it a little bit better. It goes from like that, like almost bronzy brown shade to the teal. And when I first bought that, I was not expecting it. So it definitely was a surprise to me. I enjoy it a whole lot, and I'm going to enjoy finishing it because that is my goal for that one, is to finish it. If it takes me a little while, I'm not going to be upset because I do really like it. I mean, I want to finish things, but I want to enjoy the things that I enjoy too. So that is everything for this update. Not super exciting because I didn't finish anything, but I definitely will have the bath salt, or not the bath salts, the Epsom salts ready for the next update. So I will probably be rolling in a dinosaur, and I actually have one dinosaur. I haven't picked a product for him yet, but this is Pterosaurus. He is on the list. This is one of the ones that my son still had out that was not packed because everything's in a storage facility sitting in my driveway, which drives me crazy. And so this is one that he found that is actually on the list that he still has here in the house. So Pterosaurus is probably going to be coming in next month. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Definitely go check out the other people that have joined in. They're going to be listed down below. If you want to join in, there's plenty of time. And yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. If you're like a sciencey kind of nerd, you might like this one. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.